discuss about the Poisson distribution. It is an limiting case for the binomial distribution when n is very large and p is very small and lambda equal to np. Then binomial distribution tends to the Poisson distribution. Its density function is given by p of x equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial, where x equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on n. So this Poisson distribution is discussed for only discrete values. Here lambda is a parameter. The mean for the Poisson distribution, it is denoted by mu, that is equal to lambda, and the variance of the Poisson distribution, it is denoted by sigma square equal to lambda itself, and its standard deviation is given by sigma equal to square root of lambda, and mode for the given distribution is, we have to find out first of all lambda. If lambda value is an integer, then the mode is lambda comma lambda minus 1. In this case it is a bimodal. If lambda is not an integer, then integral part of lambda value is known as the mode for the given Poisson distribution. The recurrence relation for the Poisson distribution is given by p of x plus 1 equal to lambda divided by x plus 1 into p of x. Now we will see some examples on Poisson distribution. So here a hospital switchboard receives an average of 4 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval. What is the probability that first case is there are at most 2 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval? Second case, there are exactly 3 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval. So we have to use the Poisson distribution here. Here they have given a hospital switchboard receives maximum 4 emergency calls for every 10 minutes. So we have to take here lambda equal to 4. Why? Because they have given mean value is 4. We know that by Poisson distribution, p of x means e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Always we have to take lambda value must be greater than 0. So first case is there are at most 2 emergency calls. That means, so 2 emergency calls must be maximum. So we will write it as p of x less than or equal to 2. So we know that how to find out p of x less than or equal to 2 means p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2. Just we will substitute in this density function x placed by, first one is 0, that is e power minus 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial, plus e power minus 4 power 1 by 1 factorial, plus e power minus 4 into 4 square divided by 2 factorial. This is equal to 0.2381. Second case is there are exactly 3 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval. That means p of x equal to 3. So p of x equal to 3 means here in the place of x we have to substitute 3. That is e power minus 4 cube divided by 3 factorial. This is equal to 0.1954. So that means for every problem, first we have to write down the density function p of x. Next we have to find out the values. Next we will see another example here. If x is a Poisson variate such that 3 into p of x equal to 4 equal to 1 by 2 into p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 0. Find mean of x. Second case is p of x less than or equal to 2. So first we have to find out the mean of the Poisson distribution. It is nothing but lambda value from this given equation. So first we have to write the density function, that is p of x equal to e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial, and next we have to write down the given equation, that is 3 into p of x equal to 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 into p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 0. So which implies this 3 into x equal to 4 means in the density function we have to substitute x placed by 4. That is e power minus lambda power 4 divided by 4 factorial. This is equal to 1 by 2 into e power minus lambda square divided by 2 factorial plus e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. So here e power minus lambda get cancelled. You know that lambda power 0 is nothing but anything power 0 is to be 1, and 0 factorial is always equal to 1 itself. So which implies 3 into lambda power 4 divided by 4 factorial means 24 equal to lambda square divided by 4 plus 1. Now you will take this 24 to this side. On simplifying this equation, we will get it as lambda power 4 minus 2 lambda square minus 8 equal to 0. You have to simplify this equation. You will get 4 roots here. So 2 roots are complex roots. So we have considered only lambda equal to plus or minus 2. But we know that always lambda must be greater than 0. Therefore we have to take mean equal to lambda equal to 2. Next we will go for second one, that is p of x less than or equal to 2. So x less than or equal to 2 means p of x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2. So just we will substitute these values, x values in this density function. Then we will get e power minus 2 into 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 square by 2 factorial. This is equal to 0.498. Next we will see another example in Poisson distribution. Fit a Poisson distribution to the following data. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and frequencies are 142, 156, 69, 27, 5 and 1. So first we have to find out the mean for this distribution. That is, first we have to write down what is the density function for Poisson distribution. P of x equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. Next, mean equal to summation xi fi divided by summation f. Here summation f is nothing but the sum of the frequencies. That is 142 plus 156 plus 69 plus 27 plus 5 plus 1. It is equal to 400. Summation x into f. That means 0 into 142 plus 1 into 156 plus 2 into 69 plus 3 into 27 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. So that value is equal to 400 itself. Therefore, mean equal to 400 divided by 400. It is equal to 1. That is to be taken as lambda. Next, we have to construct a table for this Poisson distribution. First column is given x values we have to write. And in the second column, we have to find out the probability values for this given x. First column, we have to write P of x equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power of x by x factorial. First one, for x equal to 0, P of 0 value is e power minus 1 into 1 power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So this is equal to e power minus 1. Next, for x equal to 1, we will substitute in this density function, that is e power minus 1 into 1 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. It is nothing but e power minus 1 only. When x equal to 2, then e power minus 1, 1 power 2 divided by 2 factorial. Similarly, for x equal to 3, e power minus 1, 1 power 3 divided by 3 factorial. We have to find out these probability values up to 5. In the next column, we have to multiply these probability values with capital N. N is nothing but the sum of the frequencies. So here capital N is nothing but 400. So we will multiply with this 400 into P of 0 value. P of 0 value is e power minus 1, that is equal to 147.15. So this is equivalent to 147. Next case, 147.15. We will get on multiplying this e power minus 1 with 400. Like that, we have to find out the expected frequencies for the probability values. So therefore, we will get it as 147, 74, 25, 6, 1, and its total is equal to 400. We have to check in this distribution, that is fitting of a Poisson distribution. Sum of the frequencies total must be equal to the sum of the expected frequencies total. This is about the fitting of a Poisson distribution.